Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. We are at the Parker Hannifin booth and I'm with Per Nilsson. Per, how you doing today?
I'm doing well, how are you?
Doing fantastic, and I'm excited to learn about what's happening with the electrification of some of your new products.
Well, you came to the right spot. What we have here is the ePTO, which is a fantastic new product from us that's going to really help our customers to develop the next generation trucks.
Okay.
This is portable power. So you know how you transport yourself with a diesel engine to a spot, but of course when you get to the spot, you might run into issues with the green, the city center, etc. So here you go. So with this, you drop it in the truck, so everywhere you go, now you can turn on your green power.
So this is designed to be a drop-in solution for a lot of companies. So what are the type of products that this would be a fit into?
So that's the cool thing here. So we make lots of pieces. We have pumping mechanisms, we have electrical motors, we have controllers. We can connect them with our fluid connector system, but isn't this a great idea to have it all in a kit? Scalable and sizable for the amount of power you need, but it's all there as a drop-in kit, but it's all from Parker Hannifin.
So what are some of the things that are part of this kit? So we have the battery, is there a cooling system? What are all the different components that encompass this solution?
So this does not have the battery,
okay,
but it has the controller. So you got to control this thing. So it has a controller, and this is high voltage, high power. And you have the motor that turns. So the controller says, turn it to this speed or turn it to that speed, which gives you your efficiency.
Okay.
But then it makes hydraulic power, and then that hydraulic power is going to move your ladder, it's going to move your boom, it's going to turn on your saw or your clamp, bucket, something. But this is the controls of it. And you got to make sure that your speed is correct because now you're efficient. The battery only lasts so long, so you got to make sure you use it right.
So driving the electrification and really focusing on the efficiency is something that your product really helps deliver.
It's a key piece, very key piece, because the battery is sized for its work, for its duty cycle, and it's probably half a day, a couple of hours, it could be a full day, but it's all about battery size. And when you have that, you got to make sure you don't waste it.
Yeah.
You got to use it efficiently.
So it's not just the electrification, it's the smart electrification of your products.
Very smart. It has to be very smart.
Awesome. Well, Per, thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.